Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shoot, still lifes, models, and this is my subject today. I shot this image for a long time ago. Actually this is not the job. This is a shooting test before shooting real stuff. Different whiskey bottle, and this is a test. So I used that this what is this acrylic resin ice cube. This is plastic. It's not real ice, and lighting wise, I want to see the shape of the outline. And also the face of the bottle is lighted direct light type stuff. Anyway, I have this image, and I also made this pretty clear pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges as always. Okay, I'm gonna use two images to make some kind of illustration type image from this. Let's get started. Now let's see the pencil drawing type image. Change the blend mode, darken, so we can see through underneath of the main image here. Then I'm gonna add layer here. Then I'm gonna paint on this layer because I like gold color of the whiskey, and also this reflection of the bottle here. I kind of like this. So I'm gonna add the color of the whiskey color, golden color on this here, to make some kind of, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna choose a brush with artistic to see these hearts stuff. Let me try this. Then pick some color on this. Okay, and also here, bottle. Kind of fun, since this is illustration image, so I can do anything I want, right? Sometimes that's okay, don't you think? Okay, now what am I gonna do? Make a mask, or let's see the image here. Change the blend mode, soft light, hot light. This is nice too. Or pin light, that's okay too. Hard or pin. Maybe pin is good. Normal is pretty good too. Okay, just leave it now for normal, and let's see. How about this pencil drawing type? It's darkened now, right? Darken and about 50%. Let's see. Lighten, this is cool. That's something. Overlay is good. Yeah. And also I want lines, black lines. So I'm gonna make this is overlay, pop out, And also, okay, I'm gonna make duplicate layer, then one is overlay, the other one I'm gonna change to multiply to get this black lines, or darken. Which one is better? Multiply. That's dark. Yeah, clear black lines. Okay. Now we have two pencil drawing type image. One is multiply, the other one is overlay. Both 50% about. Okay, now colors just go normal, right? Then I'm gonna make mask on this to make it more clear, well, clean type image. Okay, make mask, then invert mask. So I'm gonna reveal this with, let's see, paint with watercolor brush. Okay, I kind of like the color here. Well, I kind of like this image. How about black lines? Is it too black? This opacity 50. This is too dark, right? About 50. Yeah, that's good. Well, so quick, but I like this image. Yeah, it's kind of illustration type, clear. Well, thank you for watching my video. Pretty quick, but this is one of the idea to make a creative image, I think, I hope. And well, I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea to make your creative work or creative life. And if you like this movie, please subscribe and push the bell button, and I will try to keep it up. And thank you again. You guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.